Okay, this is the start of a new video. Today's project is we're going to be replacing the cables for the transmission and the throttle on this Edson Pedestal. So I've never done this before, but I've had the boat 15 years and it was probably done maybe 10 years before that, so it's really overdue. The levers are really stiff, really hard to move. So I had the the Edson procedure, and basically it says to remove the compass, remove this nut and then disconnect the cables up here. Then I have to go down to the engine and take the cables off of the engine and transmission. So I don't know how much I'll do tonight. I'll probably just do up here tonight. So step one is remove the steering wheel. Get the wheel off. Get that out of the way. Put the nut back on. Okay, that's exactly how it comes off. Just friction. So I need to disconnect the lights on the compass. And that's done. The compass is off. And one of the terminals came off. Oh well. So let's get the rest of the. So here's the base. That's the base. Put that away. So now let's take a look at what's inside here. So this is what's inside here. Here's the top mount. As you can see, this is independent of the pedestal. And you have the cables here. They have a little clevis pin. And basically I need to get these pins out to release the cables. Let's see, I'm doing a horrible job playing cameraman. So each side here has a little clevis pin and a little pin here, so I will remove the pin here to release the top, and then the trick is I need to get both of these cables on one side and then disconnect it from the engine and then pull everything out. And these cables are held in by this screw here, which holds a little bracket that holds both of those on there. And as you can see, there's so little room to work in, so this will be quite interesting. So I'm going to pause it so I can get the cotter pin out and see what I can do with this. So with a little persuasion, I did get it out. And there's the pin in the washers and the cotter pin. And I will do the same for that side. Okay, got the second one out. That one was pretty easy. So we're all set with that. And so I need to look at the directions and see where we go next, but I know we need to remove this nut to get the cables to one side, and that's going to be a lot of fun.